Hey, how you doing guys? It's Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it, and this is called number of steps to reduce a number to zero. Given non-negative integer num, return the number of steps to reduce it to zero. If the current number is even, you have to divide it by 2, otherwise you have to subtract 1 from it. For example, we got 14 and we returned 6 because there are 6 steps up to 0. 14 is even, divide by 2 and obtain 7, then 7 is odd, subtract 1 and obtain 6, 6 is even, divide by 2 and obtain 3, 3 is odd, subtract 1 and obtain 2, 2 is even, divide by 2 and obtain 1, and 1 is odd, subtract 1 and obtain 0. Num is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to the base 10 raised to the power of 6. Go ahead, first we check. In the case when this num is equal to 0, we return 0. Otherwise, we create a variable count, which is 0. We create a while loop while this num is not equal to 0. We, at each iteration, we just say count plus equal, and in the case when this number bitwise AND operator 1 and this value after this operation is equal to 0, means that's even, we add 1, otherwise we add 2 because this value right here is odd. And at each iteration we do logical right shift, we divide by 2, and that means that we append, this logical shift appends 0 right before the first bit, right? Appends zeros, and then we return count minus 1. In the case when we get, when we get to the leftmost 1, we say count minus 1 because there is only one step, not 2 steps. Let's run this code. There we go. Let's submit. Success. Good. So what does it mean? Let's look at this example right here. We got num, which is 8. Guys, you can say 2 raised, the base 2 raised to the power of 0, then 2 1, then 2 2, then 2 4, then 2, or just that's enough, right? Or just 2 and 5, right? So that means that the base 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Here we got 2, here we got 4, 8 and 16, right? And so on. So yeah, good. Well, 8 in binary representation is equal to okay, is equal to 1 0 0 0. You can look at this example right here, or just whatever. We got the base 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 8, right? And we got right here 1. Okay, 1 0 0 and 0. Yeah, that's it. Then count is equal to 0. Then we enter this loop, and then what we do is that we say num, which is 8, and we use bitwise AND operator. So 1 is equal 1 in a binary representation is equal to 0 0 1, right? Bitwise AND operator means that in the case when we got 0 and 0 is equal to 0, 0 and 1 is equal to 0, and 0 and not 0 1 and 1 is equal to 1, right? So we say this num and 1. After that we got right here 0, then 0, then 0 again, and 0. No, and yeah, and 0, right? We got 0. So this value after this operation is equal to 0. So we add 1 to this count, and we got count, which is 0 initially. Then we got 1. We divide this num. Let's say num. Let's say we divide by 2, which is 4. Then that means that we do a logical right shift. We got 0 1 0 0, which is 4. Then we say again and 1. The result is 0 0 0, right? We got zeros here, and that means that this value is even. So we just add 1 to this count. We got 2 right here. Then we do logical right shift. We divide by 2, which is 2. Then again we have 0 0 1 0, which is 2. We say 0 0 0 1. We got a bunch of zeros. Then that's even. We add 1. We got 3. And then we do the logical right shift, and we got 0 0 0 1 num 1, and we end, and um, we got 1, so that means that we just got to the leftmost one, and this value is odd, so we add 2 to this count. We got 5, and then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and we return this answer 4. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure, again, you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, on Snapchat, and I wish you all the best. Bye.